start the recording now. Gonna give a quick breakdown as to what I see, what I think is gonna happen, and yeah, just my overview of the market right now. Can't type. Fuck. Alright, put my headphones on really quick. Alright, so basically what I'm seeing right now is this. Super trend is leading me bullish, but right now it's like flipping bias right now to the downside, but we are being held up by this 15-minute gap here. We're also in this higher time frame. So what I realistically want to see us do is we're in extremely crazy high time frame SMTs. I want to see how we react from this midnight level or even from this wick and play rejection block off the hourly. Because if I'm not mistaken, yeah, there's an hourly gap plus an hourly rejection block here. So I want to see how we react from there. See what impulse we have. We are approaching the last 5 minutes of market. 5 minutes before market open. We have London highs. If anything, this could turn into like a really nice hourly breaker. It was an hourly gap. We just swept on previous day high, if I'm not mistaken, here and here on 2 days. We have a daily FEG that hasn't been tapped. So, realistically speaking, we could probably see us respect this and just continue flying, which honestly is what I'm waiting to see. But then again, we do have the possibility of continuing lower. So it's tricky. But we'll see how it goes. No need to trade today, so I mean, right now at the end of the day, I'm a little bit bullish. Just for the mere fact that we're like, fucking, this is insane. This pullback here was absolutely insane. Hold on. This might be the pullback that leads us higher, honestly speaking. Yup, right to ATH. Anywhere in this zone is probably fucking cool. Yeah, we need to see how we react here, honestly. Super tiny flower gap here. We could probably retrace into type of Asia and continue higher. We are respecting this hourly gap right now, so I really just want to see how the first 15-minute closes. Need to see if we sweep this liquidity and continue higher, or if we're just gonna be dabbling a little bit. Alright, I need to put on my sweater. gonna turn on some PJ, see what he got to say, and see what his bias is overall, and yeah, go from there. Yeah, he's actually not wrong. Uh-oh. SMT? Can we get SMT lower? Okay. 5-minute BPR. Again, we could see how this we react off of this rejection block here. Nice 5-minute rejection block somewhere around here. Here. Boom, tapped it. Uh-oh. Boom, tap midnight level. Oh shit. Are we gonna break midnight level? Break and hold midnight level in 1 minute? Okay, that's what it's looking like. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you. This is holding. This is holding. Ridiculous. We didn't even come up anywhere near the daily. I'm still thinking we're coming there. Let me see 15 minute. If I'm not mistaken, it was a 15 first presented somewhere here. Yeah, if we respect this, we're going higher. Fuck's sake. Holy decoupled. Crazy SMT at the lows. Crazy SMT at the lows right now. Bullish SMT to continue. 1 hour. There's an hourly gap there. Another hourly gap here. Swept this internal. that's the thing. The thing is that the SMT is. No, Asia got taken already. Asia got the sweep already. Okay, so we tap into the first presented hourly now of this leg. Boom, boom. I don't think this is bringing us anywhere. I think we're still gonna support. I think we created our range already for the day. Are we gonna continue? Then we need another resweep. Gotta remember, we have CPI tomorrow, so who knows? This might just be everything we get today. I haven't taken anything yet. I'm just waiting. Wow, this is insane. Insane. What the fuck? Because if you look, we're gonna resweep again on. We're resweeping again soon. 5 minute here is fucked. Fucked. Brother, this is screwed. Alright, let's see what we could do here. Okay, so maybe we could potentially come down to this Asia low. Well, PM low. Just stepped into a 5-minute gap. I'm seeing continuation lower, bro. Thing is, I'm waiting for. Oh, okay, we got another resweep. We're gonna get, yeah, I'm seeing continuation lower. Look at this SMT here. Massive SMTs. 5-minute continuation lower. I'm seeing continuation lower. Alright, now we have a 5-minute gap that we could target. Loki wanna play this. Continuation lower. To these LR, what is this level? Relative equal lows there. What the fuck? It just touched these relative equal lows all the way down here. Tapped, instantly bought up. Buck, or that was my next target. Next target's gonna be this. I think I should just target the standard div level now. But there's like no good pullback. Because with respect to this 5-minute here. Thing is, I'm waiting for this to align with the midnight. Look for a playback, balancing and continuation lower maybe. Yeah, this is ridiculous. Alright, let's go back. I want to see like a resweep somewhere up there because it's 5 minutes looking way too strong right now. I will honestly take it from here because then if we see this 5-minute inverse here, take the 50% of this entire leg up from here down. tap into the 1 minute. Oh, it did tap into 1 minute. 15-minute candle closes here. So we could see a nice probable. I want to see a mech model into the 5 minute. But there's a nice OB here, bro. Really nice OB. So we might just continue shredding. Tap the OB and continue shredding. Because we're delivering from a nice zone, bro. Get gains in here. I want to see levels. I think ES goes lower. I want to see us come up and touch this 5-minute OB somewhere up here. Touch the 5-minute OB and continue from there. Respect this 1 minute gap. There's 1 minute gap aligned with the full 5-minute OB. 6, 7, 8. Bullshit. Wow. Wow, this shit just took out all the levels, bro. What? No pullback. Oh, this is fucking annoying now. This is fucking annoying. Nothing. I haven't taken one fucking trade yet. First percent is all the way down here. It's also in the 15% in there. I have to sweep in a lot of liquidity now. Nah, this shit is going down to that. Take out Asia low now, so we could probably see a 5-minute gap fill. Taking it to the 15-minute gap first presented. I'm in some shorts right now into the 15-minute first presented gap down below. Where's the 2 standard div? I see this going lower, but The ATR and the candles is insane right now. Don't like this. Well done. I need to see more speed to the downside. This isn't enough. Yeah, there's a 4-hour gap down below on ES that it could potentially be going down to. So let's see. Thing is, I just blindly slammed a short here, so I don't like that. That's what's really throwing me off right now. Go on, 32nd. Deliver me. Well done. Lower, give me lower. Out of that, down 155. I don't really like this. Happy I got out of that right now because this pullback was ridiculous. Holy fuck, maybe that's it. Done with the manipulation because we swept Asia low here. It's at midnight level now. So we could potentially see a nice reversal. Misses 15. 4-hour gap is down here. Missed it, but we're respecting this. Five-minute gap up here. I'm not gonna lie to you. I want to see us fill this 1 minute. I'm in here. Still to the low. Actually down to the 15-minute gap low. Down to that 15-minute gap low. So let's see. Let's see what we do. 1-minute gap was filled. Boom. We potentially get a breaker set up. Still think we go lower, but what's ES doing? ES is somewhat bouncing. Boom, out of that. Let me lower the risk. Low 7 there. Down 9. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see, brother. One-minute gap. Massive 1-minute gap. so we just filled some orders. There's so many wicks here, that's why. Again, I'm not gonna lie to you. I do see us going lower, man. We're tapping into no gaps, nothing, bro. Was this the only SMT we got? No way. Six on six. What the fuck? I want to target that upside, bro. 10 a.m. opening soon. Today I'm opening soon. I'm gonna be 10 a.m. opening soon, so my target's gonna be up here 15-minute FEG. Yeah, this is gonna be my target on both. There's a 5-minute gap there and 5-minute gap here. 657. Alright, we're about to touch 5-minute gap again. Here's the thing, we inverse this here, we're going to the 5. 10 a.m. opening now. We might sweep, one more sweep. If we don't get this sweep, we might just back to Asia-ish. So if we don't get a re-sweep, we might just go back to Asia. Back to the OB, the 7-9 level. I'm slamming this to the next 5 minutes. We just tapped a 5-minute gap. Well done. Perfect. Out of that. Oh, I should have held it. 5 minute. We got a 5-minute IFVG right here. Any 30-second pullback I'm taking. Yeah, that's the thing. If we get the 5-minute flip, we're good. But if we can't, I'm in here. I'm playing it back. I'm in longs, playing it back to the internal highs up here. I feel like this is straight algo trading right now. Oh, I'm out one there. I'm out of there. Didn't displace with strength. And now it wants to displace. There's 1 more minute left into this gap. Yeah, I think we are, honestly speaking. I might get a re-sweep of this and continue lower. Because this is... Yeah, because if we touch the OB here, let's touch the OB. Let's see how we react here. Boom. Wonderful. slow drag it. We're gonna slow drag it all the way back into this other 5 minute gap. I'm taking shorts. I'm jacking I'm going back to the lows. Lows of the breaker. That's my TP. Back to the lows. I need stronger strength here. New 5 minute just open. Stronger displacement. How does 1 minute? This is the 5 minute. 1 minute. Let's see if we could inverse this. Wonderful. Yeah, it's all done. More. Okay, I'm out of that one there. Pullback, let's see, 30-second pullback now. Wow, we'll respect this 1 minute. Inverse at 30, alright, respect the 1 minute, inverse at 30-second to the upside. Could be fake though. Be just a fake out. Respect this 5 minute OB on ES. Have SMT over here, yeah. SMT within the 5 minute again here. Probably respecting that OB. Alright, I need 30-second inverse now. This was probably an excellent manipulation leg up. What does 15 minute look like? The 15 minute up here. We have SMTs everywhere here within the 5 minute gap. Still have a 15 minute up here as a magnet, bro. We still have SMTs though. Anything in here is valid. Yeah, I'm waiting for that 15. This 15 minute gap is massive, bro. Telling you this. in here. There's a 1 minute, 5 minute OB, SMT. This 1 minute gap up here, I want it to get touched. Went a little bit higher. Second continuous higher. Higher into Asia, which is what I was calling. 5 minute SMTs. 5 minute SMTs, one here. One here. Yes, go on, tap it without creating an SMT. SMT. I'm in all shorts now. Might have entered too early though. I see so many wicks on 30-second that it just. I have SMTs everywhere now. Stronger. Wonderful, keep going. Break even out, I was already in. Tap it. Let's fucking get it, Nick. Fucking day, man. I had at the low, this low-ish. The 1 minute was just 1 minute right here. I had at the low. But I saw the tap. 30 seconds were wicking. I got in. Took out a 30-second internal low. Literally got in. When I get involved. Here-ish. Targeted this low. Yeah, it was like 20-25 points-ish. Right there, that high, boom. Oh, my TP would have been hit. But still proud and grateful with this. Knocking myself out. I don't think we're gonna go low. I think we're just gonna chop within this entire range now. It's gonna be a chop fest now. 5 minute breaker? Or what the fuck? Some T's at the lows now. See, it's going to the CE again. step away. I'm gonna step away for a bit. I'm just way too engaged all morning, bro. I need to step away. Need to step away. Here's the thing, I don't know if you should short this. It's because there's a 1 minute IFVG right here that we just tapped into. SMT at the low. Plus if we inverse this upside, we're gonna go to the this 1 minute up here. Plus we have a decent amount of relative equal highs here. So the algo could just take over. But we also have a lot of confirmation to continue lower. Just this SMT is throwing me off, man. Because I do want lower too. I want previous day lows. This previous day lows is lined up right here with 2 level. Yeah, like you see what I'm saying. I don't want to take this because it's going to be a chop fest for the rest of the day, honestly. Divergences everywhere, man. Divergences everywhere. Tap the 15. Ain't no way. Ain't no way it's going to be that simple. Screw it, man. I'm in too. Buy 9 down there. Playing the lows. Playing the lows. Playing the lows on NQ. On my for the futures accounts. I'm trading my for the future accounts with only micros. Yeah. $596 and Well done. Good take. Ain't no way we just got diced. Wonderful pullback. Keep pulling back. What does this say? Almost wanted to. Almost. Shit, I didn't get stopped out. Probably gonna get stopped right now, though. We're holding this for a minute, guy, but definitely, yeah, I got stopped right now. Oopsies. Whatever. Down 130, 140. 140 on that minute. I'm off on the future, so it's whatever. I'm low-key gonna trade those accounts only with PJ. Done for the day, though. Great trading day. I would say I was down. At one point, I was down like, fuck, bro. Today's win rate was horrible. I was down. It was bad. It was bad. Yeah, I ended the day up, but like I was down 900, 800 for the day at one point. Like my worst trade today was that. Oh yeah, you know how it go. Right now we're up really fat for the week. I'm still super proud of myself though. I only took 6 trades today. Especially with the fact that I was like chasing and whatnot most of the day because of how bad I executed earlier. The market just dumped and gave nothing for us. I regret this day. I regret it a lot. It was an 0-2 day, so manipulated me and I got fucked. But it happens. Can't complain. Just part of the game. But yeah, we keep going.